Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting Lens active, not by reinstalling everything. First, make sure your phone runs Android 8, 0 or higher, and that the Google app or Lens app is present. Once done, open the Google app or the standalone Lens app, tap the Lens icon at the search bar. Allow camera, storage, and location permissions when asked. Lens needs them to analyze images and give local results. After permissions, point the camera at your target and hold steady to begin scanning. You now capture and let Lens analyze. Frame the subject clearly, tap the screen to focus, and use pinch zoom or crop to isolate details. This improves OCR and recognition. Next, choose a mode, translate for signs, text to copy, search for similar items, shopping for product links, places for landmarks, or homework for math help. Tap the shutter or import a saved photo. Lens processes the image and presents cards with actions such as copy text, open results, or shop links. You finish by choosing an action and verifying the result. Tap a suggestion card to copy text, open a web page, translate a sentence, or view shopping options. You select text to highlight exact lines and listen if available. Make sure the extracted text or link matches what you need before pasting or purchasing. If Lens returns poor matches, retry with better lighting and steadier framing. Make sure the app is updated, toggle permissions, or clear the Lens or Google app cache to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.